It's not recording right now, eh? Is it? Okay.
That's okay, don't worry. I'm gonna cut it all out. Cut it all
Okay.
out.
My name is Cal Kaviter.
Ariel Sanyo.
Sonia Brake.
Gary Manku.
Mariana Rath. I've worked at Altex Industries since August of 2020.
I have been at Altex for just over 3 years now.
I've been working here 18 plus years.
I have been with Altex for 2.5 years now.
I actually, this in April, it's been 10 years. It's been a long time.
Altex Industries is life cycle support for heat transfer equipment. And what that means is from the engineering and design side, through fabrication, through support on the field for install and maintenance, troubleshooting, re-rating, and then even spare parts.
The last 2.5 years working at Altex, I have grown tremendously as an individual and as part of the team. Having worked with leadership that's very open to ideas, very open to changes, it helped me become a better team member.
I think that I grew a lot, I learned a lot, and every day I learned so much because the company is growing, so we had to learn how to cope and how to grow with the volume of projects getting bigger. So yes, I think it is a challenge every day and a lot of learning every day.
I would say Altex is the best company to work for. Got a multicultural people, you know, different nationality. I just love working here.
Altex is a pretty amazing place to work. Since day one, I've received nothing but support. Everyone is really friendly, and I believe that we all have a common goal to ensure that anyone that reports to work goes home safe at the end of the day.
It's fun and it's hard work. So it's very rewarding at the end of the day because everything we've done has made a difference. You know that this part you worked on or this design that you created is out in the field supporting one of our major customers.